Good morning, everyone. Respected sir, madam, teachers, and my dear friends. I'm Bhavya from Grade 10. Today, I feel very honored to talk about one of the most bravest freedom fighter of our India, Chandrasekhar Azad. His full name was Chandrasekhar Tiwari. At the age of 15, he joined the non-cooperation movement of Gandhiji. At the very young age, he was deeply inspired by the struggles of India. He was born on 23rd July of 1906 in Banwa village of Madhya Pradesh. In that non-cooperation movement, he was arrested by the Britishers. When the magistrate asked for his name, he proudly replied Azad, which means free. When the magistrate asked for his father's name, he proudly said Swatantrata, which means freedom. When the magistrate asked for his home, he replied jail. The courage and fearlessness of Chandrasekhar Azad was inspired many people. From then he was famous as Chandrasekhar Azad. When the non-cooperation movement was withdrawn, even though he still continued to fight for our freedom. He joined in revolutionary groups and closely worked with Indian revolutionaries like Bhagat Singh, Satyajit Ray, and many other people. His fearlessness word reflects his courage. दुश्मन की गोलियों को हम सामना करें, हम आज़ादी है, हम आज़ादी रहेंगे. These words means that he proudly and courageously faces the enemy's bullets and still remains free. On 27th February 1931, he was surrounded by British police in Alfred Park in Ahmedabad. He refused to surrender. He proudly fought for India. When he realized that he has only one bullet, he still chose that one bullet to fight for India but did not surrender for the Britishers alive. His sacrifice for our country is immortal. Let's mourn for him for 2 minutes on this special occasion with gratitude. Vande Mataram! Vande Mataram! Jai Hind!